All right, welcome to today's episode of Sarah Mack Art. We are working on two 12 by 12 inch canvases. They're gallery wrapped. I have taped off the backs. They are nice and pretty, and I have lined these up right next to each other. What I'm going to be doing is flooding the canvases and then doing a simple negative space piece. But first, I want to show you guys my Deep Abyss Galaxy pour from the other day, and I absolutely love the dry results. It came out amazing. I'm not sure if you can get the shift of purple over here to blue, but this is pretentious in here and all in here, so it's really, really awesome how it shifts in the light. So I'm hoping you guys can see that, but as we all know, fluid art always looks better in person, so this is available to purchase. Just DM me. So we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna flood the canvases, and no, we're not gonna get right to it. I need something. If only I knew what I was looking for. It's an open cup, and I don't know what I did with it, so I gotta cut another one because, you know, I'm classic like that. Oh, let's do these. Yes. That's perfect. All right, so this, actually, we're just gonna use this one because I believe there's a hole in there. And we're just gonna take our paints and drag them across, stretch it out, have some fun, and go from there. So I have my big vat of white mixed still from my open cup pour the other day. And what I want to mention is on my Facebook page, we're gonna put some pretentious in this as well. On my Facebook page, last week, maybe the week before I took a big fall down our stairs, I had posted color ideas and whatnot for my upcoming pours. And you guys, for those that are on my art page and had responded, I think I have like 50 or 60 possible color sequences coming up. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I've transferred it all into a Word doc, and we will be starting that soon enough. So kind of excited about that. It's gonna be lots of fun. All right, and let's do a little dollop. Oh, we don't need the scissors anymore, huh? A dollop of the gold. And we're gonna do a dollop of the white too. Put it right on top. Here we go. So there's my little baby cup. So I haven't done one of these in quite a while, and they're so much fun. And let's flood these canvases. I'm gonna spread the paint out. Oh, there's a boogie paint block. Okay. Let me get this is my number 4 Fluid Art Co. spatula, and I'll just flip it over there. I'm just gonna rest it. There we go. Success. And come back over just a little. Now I was gonna open that up, but I did not because the tape has been on there for so long. I fear that I will go over here. And we're gonna come over in this area. I'm gonna leave it just like that, and then I'm going to cover up the hole on the bottom. This time I'm not gonna slide it because I want a lot of it to fall off the edge. Doesn't look like much, but we're gonna play around with it. So what's gonna happen is, I don't like that, so I'm gonna take that right out. We're gonna just go back and forth without touching the other one. We're just really gonna just move this. Kind of like it just the way it is. I'm a little bothered by that, so we'll deal with that after. And now this one's gonna go like this. So I did hit canvas. I'm just gonna do that. Well, this is why I wish I had my straw, because I can move with it. All right, now I'm gonna turn them. They won't match up now until after I'm done. love it. I think I want to do a little more right in here, just to balance it a little better. I mean, it's okay, but it, you know, sometimes let's zhuzh it up. I'm gonna bring it in a bit. Yeah, I'm totally like happy with this. I'm gonna bring this one in a smidge. There we go. Let me get my stick for that. And then we're gonna bring you guys in to see the final piece. I'm gonna do some swirly whirly gigs. Oh yeah, I think this was definitely needed. A little more zhuzhy. Zhuzhy, I like that. Or would it be bougie? No, we're zhuzhing it. We're zhuzhing it. Yes. Oh yeah. Let's make them a little more wispy. So fun. They're so fun. Let's see. Kind of looks like a ginkgo leaf there. Oh yes, all right, so I'm gonna give it one last torch and then we're gonna bring you guys in. Super happy with this piece. I actually want to bring a little white in here. Felt like it was too, there we go. No more zhuzhy. If I zhuzh anymore, I'm gonna zhuzh it right out the door. All right, let me bring you guys in. Okay, oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's gonna be awesome when it's dry. All right, So this is the final result of this diptych, and I'm like super loving it. I'm gonna have to do some more just like it and go from there, but I'm loving the end results. I love all the little added swirls. We've got some cells in there, and that is about it. I might actually bring this in a little bit. Maybe not. All right, well, we're gonna leave it alone. I should stop while I'm ahead. And you guys have a brilliant day. Please like and subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and just comment a heart if you love it. Bye. Okay, guys, here are the dried results. You can see the pretentious in here. And then over in here, it is so pretty. This is a great collaboration with so many amazingly talented artists. And it's just to bring awareness to Earth Day. I want to thank Nate, Bright, and all for including me in this collaboration. I hope you guys have a beautiful day. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.